What is dead space? The part of the respiratory tract where gaseous exchange does not take place is called as dead space. The air present in the dead space is called as dead space air. 150 ml is the normal dead space. The part of the respiratory tract where gaseous exchange does not take place is called as dead space. The air present in the dead space is called dead space air, and 150 ml is the normal dead space. What are the types of dead space? There are mainly three types of dead space: anatomical dead space, alveolar dead space, and physiological dead space. Coming to one by one, anatomical dead space, it extends from nose up to terminal bronchiole. That means these are the conducting airways. So anatomical dead space is the conducting airways, that is extends from the nose up to terminal bronchiole. Alveolar dead space, the volume of air present in the alveolus which do not take part in gaseous exchange is called as alveolar dead space. It is always pathological. It is nil in healthy persons. Coming to the last one, physiological dead space or total dead space. It includes both anatomical and alveolar dead space. In all healthy individuals, the physiological dead space is equal to anatomical dead space. In certain conditions like emphysema and bronchiectasis, the physiological dead space will become more than the anatomical dead space. Coming to the variations of dead space, there are certain factors where we can see the variations of dead space. First one is sex. The dead space is more in males compared to females. The second factor is age. The dead space increases with age because the inflated lungs pull the airways, thereby increasing the airway diameter. The third factor is body weight. The dead space increases in proportion with increase in body weight. So if there is an increase in the body weight, there is obviously an increase in the dead space. One of the pathological factors is emphysema. In emphysema, there is loss of elasticity which decreases the elastic recoil, which causes hyperinflation and it leads to the increase in the dead space.